안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, Happy New Year. May you have a happy, prosperous, and healthy New Year. Last year, I introduced bibimbap, and I think some people can remember this episode, right? Well, today I'm gonna introduce another version of a bibimbap cuisine. It's a hot stone pot bibimbap, Dolsot Bibimbap. That is a bibimbap served in a sizzling hot stone pot. So the crispy rice at the bottom, mixed with various vegetables and gochujang, will remain piping hot while eating. There is a bonus video after this tutorial, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Slice the radish thinly, and slice it thinly again. Put a bit of salt, mix it well. Rest it for about 10 minutes. Cut the zucchini in half, cut it into thin pieces. I'm not going to use the seed part inside. Julienne it again. I'm going to stir fry it in the pan later. Slice the carrots thinly. Julienne it again. If chopping is inconvenient, you can use a slicer. I'm going to stir fry in the pan later. Slice the beef thinly. I think it would be good if you cut it into smaller sizes again like this. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add a bit of ground pepper. Mix it well. I'm going to stir fry it in the pan later. Add bean sprouts. Blanch it for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash the blanched bean sprouts in cold water. Then bean sprouts will be crunchy and good. Add the spinach to the water you blanched the bean sprouts in. Blanch it in boiling water for about 1 minute. Wash blanched spinach in cold water and drain it with your hands. Put about half a tablespoon of oil in a preheated pan. Put the zucchini in. Stir fry it over high heat for about a minute. Add a pinch of salt after a minute and turn off the heat. Put some oil on the preheated pan. Add a chopped carrots. Stir fry over high heat for about 1 minute. Add the marinated bulgogi to the pan. Stir fry it over high heat. When the meat is fully cooked, put it in a bowl. Fry the eggs as you like over medium heat. I'm going to put it on top of the hot stone pot bibimbap later. Add about 2 pinches of salt to bean sprouts. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add a half a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Add a bit of minced garlic. Mix it well. If you do this, it becomes simple seasoned bean sprouts. Squeeze the water out of the spinach. Cut it 2 or 3 times. Add about 2 pinches of salt to spinach. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add a half a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Add a bit of minced garlic. The seasoning used to make a vegetable namul is all quite similar. This is radish that has been pickled with a bit of salt for 10 minutes. Water comes out like this. Squeeze out the water. Add 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce or tuna fish sauce. Add a half a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic. Add about half a tablespoon of honey. Mix it well. This dish is called radish salad or in Korean musengchae. It's a dish that Koreans often cook as a side dish. Doesn't it look so good? Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to the stone pot. Add 1 bowl of rice, spread out the rice. Put all the ingredients on the rice little by little. Put some spinach. Put some bean sprouts. Put some carrots. Put some zucchini. Place the radish salad. Put some bulgogi. Lastly, add a fried egg in the middle. Place all ingredients over low heat for about 5 minutes. If you like crispy nurungji, leave it on low heat for about 10 minutes to make the bottom crispier. Turn up the heat and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Put a bit of red pepper paste before eating. A very healthy and delicious stone pot bibimbap is done. Hot stone pot bibimbap or bibimbap ingredients are the same. Depending on which container you put it in, it becomes a hot stone pot bibimbap or just bibimbap. Then I will show you how to make a regular bibimbap too. And put the prepared ingredients on the rice little by little. Put a fried egg on top. Add a bit of sesame oil. When you eat it, add a bit of red pepper paste and mix it. Healthy and tasty bibimbap is done. A key component in cooking Dolsot Bibimbap is to use a hot stone pot, which you can buy at most Korean grocery stores. I hope you enjoyed my episode today. If you think the program was useful, please push the like and subscription button. Have a good start to your new year. See you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.